How to say, I like listening to music more than reading books in Thai. I certainly enjoy playing music more than that. Well, no. Actually, you know what, man? I love to read books and I love to play music. Oh, that says listening to music. I like listening to music too, but man, I love playing it. Man, I love playing it. I've got, well, I don't know if you can't see all the instruments I got in here, but I play them all. I love them all. Anyway, looking at the tones. Pom is a rising tone. Pom. The next word, chob, falling. So I like, because you know those two words, pom, chob. The tones are pom, chob, rising, falling. Pom, chob. And if you're a female, what are you saying? Yes, chun, chob. Chun, chob. Rising tone, falling tone. Fang. Fang. Kind of like fungus, right? Fang. Pom, chob, fang. Fang is flat. Plang is flat. Then we go to mag. Mag. And we look at that ga guy. If you're following along on your Thai and writing these all out in Thai script and in romanization and in English, you realize that when you come to that ga guy at the end of the sentence, although sometimes and traditionally it's written as a K, it's not. It's a G. It's a hard g going to a K. It's like a choke on, like you're choking. Mag. That's the ga guy. So here we have the ga guy at the end of one word and the ga guy at the beginning of the next word. Magua. Magua. So the true genus, not genius, the true genus of the word ga guy comes out. Finally, we've exposed it. Finally, after all of our sleuthing about. So, mag is falling. And gua is low tone. Magua. Gua, low tone. And then the next word, an, is low tone. The final word, nang su, two rising tones. Nang su. So the whole thing together, let's do it with the tones. We're looking at the tones and of course the phonetics, but we're not so much worried about the meanings of the words as we are about getting the tones right and the phonetics right. Pom, unless you're a female, you're saying chun, and you know that. And I say it again anyway. Here we go. Sorry about the false start. Pom, chob, fang, plang, mag, gua, an, nung, su. Got those tones? Groovy.
ฉันชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือฉันชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือฉันชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือ
ผมชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือผมชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือผมชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือ
ผมชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือผมชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือผมชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือ
All right. So we just heard how the Thai instructors say all those words. It's important. These lessons really mimic the way that you would hear and learn as either a child learning the language the first time or as a farang going to the nation, going to the kingdom of Siam, the kingdom of Thailand. It used to be Siam. Now it's Thailand. And it'd be like you, a foreigner, a farang, going there and learning the language. You hear the words before you know what they are. You're hearing the tones, you don't know what they are, they come into you, and then you find out the words, and that's me explaining to you the words and us going through them one at a time like we're about to do. And then now, after you've heard the words and you didn't know what they are, and then you did the research and you found out what they were, and then you hear them again, you're doing some ear training and teaching your brain, okay, I know that, I've heard this before, and I've studied it, I know what it means, and now you're putting that final little link in there so that they all fire off together, okay? So, pom means I, if you're a man. Chan means I, if you're a female. Chob, falling tone. Chob means to like. So pom chob or chan chob means I like. Fang, flat tone, means to listen. Fang, to listen. In this case, since listening is kind of a tense word, and there are no tenses in Thai, we can just put pom chob fang. I like listen. Plang, music. Plang, flat tone word, kind of a cool word. Plang means music. Magwa means more than. Magwa means more than. Of course, we can break that in parts and halves. Mag, looking down here. Mag means very much, or a lot, or very. We've seen the word mag before. Gua we have not seen, but gua, low tone, more or more than. Magwa means more than. Nice. Magwa. Good word. That, every once in a while you come across a word or a compound word or a couple of words mashed together or a sentence particle or a short phrase. This would be a short phrase, magwa, that really increases your, what would the word be? Fluency. Increases your fluency, your smooth delivery of the language. Magwa certainly does that. I'd say that's a second level word, but now you have it. On, low tone, means to read. Again, there are no tenses in Thai, and reading would be a present tense, but that means nothing in Thai. So on means to read. But we use it, as we think about it in English, we're thinking reading because it's happening now. Pom chob fang plang magwa on. I like listening to music more than reading, and that leaves nung su. Both halves of that word are rising. Nung su. Can you hear that I'm tightening my throat up right here at the base of my tongue, right at the tonsils when I do the second half of that word? Nung is just a regular word. Nung. And then nung is just a regular word. And then su. Please repeat after me. Pom chob fang plang magwa an nung su. Pom chob fang plang magwa an nung su. Pom chob fang plang magwa an nung su.
ผมชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือผมชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือผมชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือ
ฉันชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือฉันชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนัง สือฉันชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือ
ผมชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือผมชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือผมชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือ
And now we have the caption so that you can read along.
ฉันชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือฉันชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือฉันชอบฟังเพลงมากกว่าอ่านหนังสือ
So, I like listening to music more than I like reading. And how would you say that in Thai? Nicely done. Nicely done. Bravo or brava, barissima. You've done a great job.
The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, TheThaiLanguage.com. TheThaiLanguage.com